A very good day to all teachers, fellow students, and parents. My name is Lim En Ning Clarissa, and I'm currently a Secondary 3 student at Kranji Secondary School. I am honoured to be here today to receive the Mind Stretcher Special Achievement Award. I have been a Mind Stretcher student since Primary 1, studying multiple subjects for the past 9 years. In Secondary 1 and 2, I continued with my math, science, and English lessons at Mind Stretcher. However, in Secondary 2, I also decided to enroll in the High Chinese online lesson offered after I started struggling with Chinese during Secondary 1. There was a significant jump in Chinese from primary to secondary school, and I found it challenging to keep up with the content while trying to meet the high expectations of my teachers. As a result, my grades started to drop, prompting me to seek external help for Chinese. After attending the Chinese lessons at Mind Stretcher, I was able to grasp the basics and identify the areas I needed to improve in, which enabled me to achieve better results. Apart from improving in Chinese, I also managed to maintain my good results in my math, science, and English lessons. I benefited the most from the science lessons, as the early exposure to different sciences, chemistry, physics, and biology, made it easier for me to choose my science classes in Secondary 3. With the heads up, not only was I able to discover my interest in physics and chemistry, but I could also understand the material better when it was taught in school. From my journey, I learned that while learning ahead of school through Mind Stretcher is helpful, it is equally important to revise the material taught at home. This balanced approach has been key to my academic success. To my fellow students, remember that seeking help when you need it and putting in the effort to revise at home can make a significant difference in your learning journey. Embrace every opportunity to learn and grow, and don't be afraid to ask for support when you need it. As we continue on our educational paths, let us stay determined, keep an open mind, and strive for excellence in everything we do. As Confucius said, the man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones.